Simplify your work with type catalogs using Type Catalog Manager and Type Catalog Editor. Type Catalog Manager allows you to one-click import in your Revit lookup tables, export your lookup tables, export files in Excel to send to your customers with metadata, also generate backup folders and files under any language name, also create any kind of default type catalogs you want to have. So you want to have an individual single default type in your family or a multi-default type. It's also doable here as well. Also create a new type catalogs and also duplicate Revit families with a matching type catalog information in the event you're changing catalogs for internationalization, different languages, different unit measures, breaking families out between large families and small family sizes. All that's available right here. So all I need to do here to do such is go ahead and just press on the import. Go ahead and pick a family you want. We'll pick the C shapes in here. Go ahead and press import, and automatically now generate out those 232 rows. Do that again here. I'll go ahead and pick a one for say glue lamps. And we now have 160 rows all brought in here ready to go. At this point here, we can then go ahead and make the changes, export the file back out. When you export, it's going to ask you for a backup, so yes, no. So say yes, it was backup. Do you want to create the path? Yes, we do. Backup has been created, and now the file's been exported out and ready to be used and confirmed. Being able to go back and create default type. So in this case here, we have a single default type. So nothing's been selected. You can see right here in this column, nothing's clean. So the very top one will be picked for a default type. So we'll just go back in here and press create, and it's now going to create an individual default type. If I go in here and press open, you'll now see I've got a single and a default type right here as well. If I want to now go back and create a multi, say right here, I'll just use the word multi in place here. I can now come back in here and just give it any kind of character I want that I want to be part of my multi-catalog. And I can go back in now and create this one. And that's done. And now have a multi-catalog as well too. So here's my multi-catalog, and here's the parts that we picked to be loaded into a Revit family. So your single, any multi. At this point here, we can get back in here, also create new type catalog. So in the event that we have modified the catalog into a different language, different unit of measures, we can come back in here and just go and press the path where we want it to be, give it a name, and at this point here, go ahead and create a new type catalog, and that new catalog has been created in place. If I go in here and look at that file, you'll see CCH new is shown. Here it is. Here's the catalog. If we want to also create a family that matches that, we can go back and just press duplicate family. It's going to have a matching name, create the information, get some overwrite, done. And right here, I now have a matching new name Revit family with a catalog that's based upon the filtered data from our editor. And that's how we handle all of the bulk updating creation of type catalogs in a matter of seconds. Thank you.